Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Trisha and you are watching Trish Kitchen. Today I am going to share with you bhindi masalas recipe. It's a very delicious and quick to make. Serve bhindi masala with roti, plain paratha or plain rice. Now let's see how to make bhindi masala. Wash bhindi, chop off both the ends and chop them into small pieces. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add the bhindi. Saute on a medium flame for about 5 to 7 minutes until the bhindis are cooked properly. Once the bhindis are done, transfer the bhindi to a plate and set aside. Now add 2 tablespoon oil more to the pan, then add cumin seeds. When they begin to splutter, add onions. Saute them until they turn golden. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic grated. You can add ginger garlic paste too. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes till the raw smell of the garlic goes away. Now add all the dry masalas, coriander cumin powder, salt, turmeric, chili powder, garam masala and amchur powder. Mix well and cook the masala for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add chopped tomatoes. Saute until the tomatoes turn soft and mushy. Now add yogurt. Mix the yogurt in water. Switch off the flame, then add yogurt. It will help reduce the chances of yogurt curdling. Switch on the flame again and saute until the oil starts leaving the masala. Now add half cup of water. Do not add too much of water. Add green chili and cover it for 3 to 4 minutes. Our gravy is looking so great. Add fried bhindi. Mix everything well. Add chopped coriander leaves. Mix again. Our bhindi masala is ready to serve now. Serve bhindi masala hot with roti, paratha or rice. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.